Hi, and welcome to Neo Just Makeup. I'm Neo, and today this anime makeup look is inspired by Sardonyx from CV Universe. And yeah, I actually really like how this turned out. This is actually my second attempt. First attempt did not turn out so well, just being honest. But second attempt, and I love it. So yeah, if you want to see how I created this look, continue watching. Okay, so let's get started. I already took care of my eyebrows, and I already primed and set my lids using Desert Sand from the Hood of Yuzi Desert Dust palette, which I'm so happy to use this now. Okay. By the way, no longer sick. Hallelujah. So the first shade I want to dip into is actually this shade right here, Eden. And I'm going to take that on a fluffy brush and just blend that right above the crease as a transition shade. Okay, so now we're going to take the shade right here, Blazing, and we're going to take that into the crease. Okay, so now taking this Sephora Collection number 10 brush, I'm just going to slightly blend. Taking Amber, I'm going to just only put it on the outer third and slightly into the crease. Again, blending out. Now taking the shade Wood, I'm going to take that and just pack it on the outer third. Taking the Sephora Collection number 10 brush and just blend it out. Okay, so I was actually doing liner and other stuff and I messed up. So I just completely restarted using the exact same process, except now I'm actually going to take the shade Amethyst and put that all on the lid. Okay, now we're going to blend it out. So I kind of want to leave it like this, but I know I still want to pop. So I'm going to be taking the shade Celestial, which is a duochrome. On camera it's showing more pink, but in person it's showing gold. Oh, there's the gold, okay. So I'm going to put that just on top of Amethyst. Okay, now I'm just going to blend out the edges. Okay, so now I'm going to head off camera, maybe do some liner, lashes, mascara, full face, and I'll be right back. Okay, we're back. I got highlight on, and ooh, I am glowing. I did try again with the liner, and this time it actually worked. Now we're going to move back to the eyes. Following my usual trick, we're going to take Wood and smoke that on the lower outer third with this liner brush. Okay, so now I'm going to basically work backwards from the shades I put up top. So Amber, Amethyst, and Blazing, and just kind of put them all under the lower lash. Now for inner corner highlight, I'm actually going to take the shade Angelic and just pop that on the inner corner. Okay, so now I'm going to take this Killer Cult eyeliner in Knockout by Collab, and I'm going to run that in my waterline. for mascara, I'm going to be taking the Lash Renegade by Wet n Wild. Okay, so now I'm going to move on to the lips. Okay, so for lipstick today, I'm actually going to be doing a really nice ombre, where I'm going to be using two Anastasia liquid lipsticks. These are in Veronica and Ashton. I'll be using Veronica as a base, Ashton as a center highlight. And on top of Ashton, I'll also be taking Take a Spin by Sephora Collection, and it's just like a metallic color that's gonna add a little pop. Before I add Ashton, I just want to say this is a great combo by itself. If you want it, rock it. Veronica looks great. Now to add Ashton. Take a spin. Okay, now I'm gonna let my hair down. I'm also gonna set my entire face using my Milani Make It Last setting spray, and I'll be right back. Okay, and here we are with the finished look, and I really like how this turned out. I think this is probably like one of the more like wearable looks I've done, and like yeah, because I do weird stuff with colors. Anyway, I actually really like this color combo. I really love this lip combo, and yeah, I really enjoyed making this. That's it. If you want to see more of me, if you like this video, please do like, comment, and subscribe. If you like me and you want to see more, please do subscribe and click that little bell button, because every time I release a new video, you'll get a notification. Aside from that, I don't know what else to say except thank you for watching. Bye.